welcome to my channel. Today we want to paint Pepapig, George and Momipig in the rain. Let's start painting together. First we paint Momipig, the nose. We paint the face, ear. We paint the eyes. I draw her mouth. Now we paint the body and her two legs. Now here I draw a tail, hands, and her other arm. She has an umbrella in her hand. Now we paint George, the nose. We paint the face. I draw a rain hat. I draw George Pig's eyes, mouth. I draw her arms, hands, raincoat, and her other arms, legs. Now shoes. Now I draw this Peppa-Pig. I draw a rain hat. The nose. We paint the face, mouth, eyes, raincoat, now shoes, hands. Now I draw a ground. Now we paint the door. And finish the many raindrops. Peppa-Pig and George wear raincoats, and Momipig has an umbrella. Good job! Let's start coloring. We made the mouth light pink. We made Momipig's face pink haze. The dress is orange. Blue legs, face and hands pink haze. Coloring umbrella. Blue, green, red, orange, lily, violet, face pink haze, George coat light orange, and light pink. Next George is red. Please like and subscribe my channel. Rain hat yellow. Peppa-Pig's raincoat is yellow. We made the mouth light pink. Face pink haze. And pink haze. Legs Peppa-Pig is blue. Door is green. dark green. Now we make all the rain blue. Peppa Pig and George wear raincoats, and Momipig has an umbrella. It has rained a lot. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We make the ground brown. Good job! See you to next video.